Dear Diary, I met a boy today. He said his name is Raymond, but his friends call him Ray. Really cute, nice swag, kinda tall. He told me that he hoop, but he don't look like he play ball. He asked me for my number, I said no. My parents real strict and I'm for sure they ain't gon' go. I'm thinking, man, all the girls like him, so I tell him we can chat, hit me up on AIM.
I like him.
Back and forth. He told me to meet him up at the basketball court, and I'm like, okay, but I'm bringing my girls with me. And all of a sudden, mama busts in the door quickly. She looks at the screen and say, who you chatting with? Nobody. Now she reading the screen like, who is Ray? Nobody. Oh, he's somebody. You know your dad come in there for. Mama, please don't tell daddy. I ain't gonna talk to Ray no more. Now I'm sitting in my room waiting for dad to come home. She took my iPad, can't let Ray know what's going on. Exchange numbers, can't call him on the phone. Now I see why my friends say they can't wait till they get grown. I'm checking the clock and it's 5 minutes to 4. I'm starting to get nervous, constantly pacing the floor. And then I thought, wait, what am I in trouble for? But it all came back to me when Dad came walking through the door.
I like him.
Daddy, wait, I got a confession to make. I know you ain't gon' like this, but I met a boy named Ray. He's never disrespected me, he's very smart in school. I don't know, it's something about this boy reminds me of you. Daddy, wait, I got a confession to make. I know you ain't gon' like this, but I met a boy named Ray. He's never disrespected me, he's very smart in school. I don't know, it's something about this boy reminds me of you.
I like him.